This is a Goldback wallet. It is a really handy place to store your Goldbacks, but also when you want to spend them, this is a great way to carry them around. Now, a lot of people have asked, where can I spend my Goldbacks? And the answer is, any place that will accept them. However, there is a list of pre-approved businesses. Let's go check it out. After going to goldback.com, simply click on Featured Businesses. Now, as I previously mentioned, you could spend Goldbacks in any state, in fact, any country around the world, as long as the business owner is willing to take them. However, the list of pre-approved places is found here. So there are all of the ones in Utah, Nevada, that list is coming soon, and there are the New Hampshire ones as well. Those are the 3 states that currently have the Goldback, and once more states get added, they'll be on this page as well. Now, if you did want to check out the businesses in Utah, then you'll just click on this link right here. If you live in Utah, you can use the map to find businesses near you, or you could scroll down and check out this list. There's a very wide variety of businesses, and in fact, about 200 that currently take the Goldback in Utah. You could get a shed, you could go to Ace Hardware, get a shovel to bury your gold in the backyard, you could go get sushi. Now, rather than me just talk about these, let's actually check one out. This one looks pretty cool. Utah Batman?
So, you're the Utah Batman. It's utahbatman.com.
That's right.
What are all the things that you do?
I do birthday parties. I do events. I do corporate promotions.
You ever get hired for security?
On occasion.
Because we got these kids that like the doorbell ditch.
I can assist with that.
Can you fill bottles?
Watch me.
I can help you out. So you were one of the first retailers that signed up to do the Goldback. I distinctly remember because I thought it was so interesting. This is Batman. I can pay for Batman with Goldbacks. I think we're over 200 retailers now. But why did you want to do it? You were one of the very first people that wanted to do it.
Well, I was on my back computer and I found this opportunity, and I'm like, well, why wouldn't I?
What's exciting to you about the Goldback?
What's exciting to me about the Goldback is that gold maintains its value, whereas fiat currency does not.
Well, we're super excited to have you over today.
Thank you. I'm super excited to be here. Did you get that? There we go.
So here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Are you going to put that in your utility belt or you have pockets?
I'll figure it out. It's like when I'm at Comic-Con and someone says, hey, can I give you my business card? And I'm like, I'll just hold on to this.
When we initially came out with the Goldback, the biggest question anybody ever gave me was, well, where do I spend it? What do I do with it? We put together the first 50 businesses in like 2 weeks. And I was really hoping that maybe 10% of business owners would take Goldbacks. And we thought, if we identified who they were and we could drive traffic to those businesses, we could prove the concept. What we actually found is closer to 50% of business owners wanted to be paid in gold, and they were willing to take Goldbacks. We grew the business network gradually, just very casually over the last couple of years. We went from 50 to a couple hundred. And these are businesses that want to be advertised and broadcasted as businesses that prefer to take gold.
I personally don't live in Utah, New Hampshire, or Nevada, but that doesn't mean I cannot go out and ask local businesses if they will accept the Goldback as payment. If you are like me, I would encourage you to carry some Goldbacks around with you, and whenever you get the opportunity, ask a local business owner if they will accept them or not. You'll never know if you don't ask, and you might be surprised at how many businesses are willing to accept physical gold as payment. payment. We are going to be putting out many more videos showing goldbacks being used as money, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss anything. And feel free to share this video with as many people as you like so they can learn about goldbacks and using sound money once again.